Hi, I'm going to tell you how to knit. How to knit. Just put your needle from the front, take it back, and put the thread round like this, and then take it back. Do the same to the other stitch, like this. All the stitches you will knit. This is called how to knit. This is called knit. Okay, and the other side is purl. This is the purl side. Put your needle from back of the stitch like this here, like this. But take it back. Put the needle from back of the stitch like this. Put the thread round and take it back. This is how you will purl. All the stitches are purl stitches. So this is purl row, and now we will do knit again, same way like I did before. Put the needle from the front to back and put the thread round and bring it back like this. If the design is like this, it means that this is knit row. See, you can see these lines. This is, it means that this is knit row. Till the end, you will keep knitting. And now again we will purl. Yeah. From the back of the stitch, you will take one stitch, put the thread round and take it back again like this. Same like this one here. All the way like this. If you will see this design like this, it means this is purl row, because this design looks like there are so many pearls on the floor or something. They are being together, all the pearls. So it means this is purl row. Till the end you will keep purling. So this side is purl, this side is knit. You see these straight lines, these are knit side, and this is the right side, and this is the purl side, and this is the wrong side. But some people like this side, they put this one right side and this one wrong side. It's up to you which one you like it. You can put the design on this side, other design if you want to put, or on the other side. This is up to you, whichever you like. But this is knitting side and this is purling side. You will knit from this side and purl from this side. I hope you will like my video. Please follow my channel, like, share, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, Cook with Zarina. Thank you.